Welcome to our Capstone project presentation, a first-person puzzle game designed to challenge minds and spark imaginations. In this journey, we will explore how we can build immersive, logic-based gameplay from a first-person perspective. Let's dive into it. A first-person puzzle game offers a deeply immersive experience. We view the world through the protagonist's eyes, solve intricate puzzles, and navigate environments that are as mysterious as they are interactive. This genre shifts the focus from action to mental challenge, allowing us to showcase gameplay mechanics, environmental design, and storytelling all in one engaging package. Our project is titled Echoes of the Mind. In this game, we awaken in a deserted research facility equipped with a mysterious tool known as the Echo Lens. This device lets us manipulate fragments of time, echoes of the past, to solve puzzles and unlock the truth behind a broken timeline. The narrative unfolds through exploration, encouraging us to piece together clues left behind. Let's look at the core mechanics that drive our gameplay. Puzzle solving remains central, combining logic, physics, and timing. The echo lens allows us to manipulate time echoes, repeating past actions or rewinding key moments. We stay grounded in the first person view for immersion, while object interaction makes the world feel alive. And as we explore, the environment itself becomes a canvas for storytelling. Our level design builds thematic variety. In the archive, we tackle memory based puzzles using past logs. The reactor room challenges us with energy based puzzles requiring time manipulation. The observatory focuses on reflection and optics, and the labyrinth turns navigation into a puzzle itself with rotating rooms and eco based pathfinding. Each level tests different player instincts and reinforces core mechanics. By developing this game, we demonstrate a wide range of technical skills, from scripting physics-based puzzles in Unity or Unreal to implementing first-person controls and intuitive UI elements. Our level design and progression planning will showcase creativity while managing game states like saving and loading proves our engineering depth. To elevate the experience, we can include optional features. VR support could enhance immersion. Voiceovers for in-game logs add atmosphere. Adaptive music reacts to puzzle progress, while a dynamic hint system ensures the challenge remains enjoyable and not frustrating. These enhancements let us customize scope based on time and team size. This project makes a strong case for a portfolio centerpiece. It demonstrates our grasp on design, storytelling, interaction, and system development. We get to express creativity while solving real world gameplay challenges. Whether we are working solo or as a team, the scope remains adaptable and impactful. If this project idea resonates with you, we would love your support. Like, share, and subscribe to help us reach more aspiring developers and puzzle lovers. Every bit of encouragement powers our journey forward. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough. We are excited to bring this idea to life and showcase how interactive storytelling and puzzle design can merge into truly something engaging. Let's build something brilliant together.